And on the third day, all of the gods that exist said, it's dark in here, we need some light, and it might as well be recessed, and we might as well use one of these. What is this thing, you ask? It's, well, you'll see. We'll show you. Come on. There it is. This comes with a template, but we're highly skilled and highly trained professionals, so I'm gonna go ahead, get rid of that, and I'm gonna use the holes to mark my boxes. But the first thing I'm gonna do is mark my locations. Okay, make a mark at 2 feet. You'll notice we've got these center notches, which are very convenient. Line that up with A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we play connect the dots and cut it out. X marks the spot. X gonna give it to you. So now that we've got these marked out, we're gonna go ahead and cut those out of the drywall. This part gets a little dusty, so you might wanna get your Dan to cut these out for you. Oh, Dan! I'll just leave it up there. I'll just leave it there. I'll just leave it there. Let's see how he did. Knew it. For future patching. Don't act surprised. Perfect every time. Okay, so it's time to install these. And because it's just ABS, for a mechanical fastener, we're just gonna use staples. We'll put some glue on it as well for some extra hold. But once it's in there, fastened, we're gonna mud it, and then it will disappear right into the ceiling. All that goes in. You're gonna be impressed. X will give it to you every time. That ain't bubble gum, that's adhesive. Just ready to go. Ready to dock. Do we need staples? Probably not. Do we want callbacks? Definitely not.
Yes, actually, we
Sometimes we do.
We like our clients a lot.
It really depends on the client. Oh, now. There's so much adhesive that it's always compressed. So I could fire this right in your eye right now. I won't. Those are good staples.
Are they burying?
They're buried. All right, well, I hope you like these because they are permanent. Drum beat. Now it's in place, it's secured. We're gonna mud it a few times, sand it, paint it, done. Put a light in it, done. Okay, we're at the fun stage. Mucking it up. Muck on the old trowel there. On each side. Look for her eye. Just make sure everything's covered nice. Clean out the box. Oh jeez, my goodness. Okay, so that's coat 1. We're gonna probably do 1, maybe 2 more of those on each one, but when we sand that down and paint it, whew, square holes in the wall, in the ceiling. In the ceiling, not the wall. It Could be the wall, but these are in the ceiling. You watch.
Oh, I like your soft pastel color palette.
It's a soft pastel palette kind of day. All right, so we're here for coat. What are we calling this? Coat 3.
I don't remember. It's like
We're here on the last coat, let's say that. I've got my comedically large trowel here, my comedically large mud bud. Let's put on some mud. I'm gonna show you a really advanced move here once I get the mud in place. It's time to bust out the fancy tricks. I call this the mudder's pirouette. I'm gonna try this at home. Oh, we're gonna do one more pass just for the crowd. Getting a little dizzy. Vertigo's coming back. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Spin your trowel, spin your bud, spin your body. Make it look good. Oh, we should clean it out. Clean it with your comedically large trowel. All right, so painted up. Now we're ready to put the pot lights in, and because we have these square recess spaces, we're gonna use a fancy light. It's square. And yeah, we could use white. Let's trick it out. Let's cover that sucker. They have an interchangeable faceplate, so we can either go with white, they come with silver, and these ones also come with a cool matte black. So we're gonna go with that for dramatic effect. All you gotta do is bend these little tabs. Ah. Oh yeah. Okay. So now, I'm gonna connect my pots first. Your electrician needs them rough. Clean them up. These also have adjustable color temperatures. Go 3K. Stuff that wire up there. Oh! Spiong! Okay. Worth every penny. Let's see if the clapper's plugged in. Clap on. Clap on. Clap on. Clap on. There it is. The clapper works every time. Let there be light. And we did. Check back later for more bright ideas from the Refresh guys. Can you hear that wind? I guess we need to mark our sane.
Yeah, you got tape in there.
Our sane moments. Trains? Train. Oh. Okay, so now it is secure. We're gonna mud it.
Train? Train again.
A lot of trains
living
today.
in the city.
Okay. Make sure your trowel is wider and taller than your face.
There's 3 U's.
No problem. All right.